Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I like to show you how to download and install iOS 12.1.3 on iPhone. iOS 12.1.3 just released. First, tap on Settings, tap on General, tap on Software Update. If your phone connected with internet, it will start checking for updates. Here iOS 12.1.3. It includes bug fixes for your iPhone or iPad. You can tap on Learn More to know more about iOS 12.1.3. Go back and tap on Download and Install. It's start downloading new updates. After download, it's verifying updates. It's restart 2-3 times to configure new updates. That's it. Your phone has been updated to iOS 12.1.3. In this way, you can update your iPhone or iPad to iOS 12.1.3. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also, tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.